update, Dharmendra Pradhan remembers all set to be inducted in the Modi 3.0 cabinet. We are also learning that the Odisha government is going to be taking oath on June the 12th. So that is going to be the big day for the state of Odisha. Sabyasachi continues to be with us and he's been able to track that detail for us. Sabyasachi, what are we learning? When, it comes to significant names, there was a lot of chatter whether Dharmendra Pradhan will receive this call or not. If he does not, people said he possibly is the next Odisha Chief Minister. But right now, as we speak, Sabyasachi, you're telling us that he is at the LKM.
Well, absolutely. See, from the state of Odisha, Dharmendra Pradhan's name was going around to be the next CM of the state. But today, Dharmendra Pradhan here is in the national capital, and most likely he would be one of the minister designate in the Modi government 3.0. See, along with Dharmendra Pradhan, Sundargarh MP, Member of Parliament Joel Oram has also received a call from the High Command, and he also has been asked to report to the national capital. Though in terms of Joel Oram, it has been not declared by the High Command whether he would be a minister designate or not, but the Odisha CM would be taking oath on the 12th of June. Earlier it was decided that he would take oath on the 10th, but you see that certain movement is taking place outside the PM's residence. The security is on high alert. Right now they are stopping the convoy of normal traffic. They are stopping the normal traffic so that some VIP movement can take place. Some leaders is likely to come out of the PM residence or likely to reach the PM residence. On the other hand, the state of Odisha, which was decided that on 10th the Chief Minister would take the oath, but it was decided that because of Prime Minister's prior commitment that he has to travel to Italy and also take part in Chandrababu Naidu's oath-taking ceremony. So after coming back from Chandrababu Naidu's oath ceremony, he would be taking part for the oath ceremony of Odisha CM. That would be on 12th, and the time which has been decided is around 8:20.
Okay, and Sabyasachi, just staying with Odisha, it's a significant state. The BJP has been eyeing that state for a long time. We've seen a lot of hardware by a lot of these netas, including Dharmendra Pradhan, remember, the Sangathan there. And they always said that let us, fight this battle alone because we can ensure that the BJD is ousted. And exactly that is what has happened. That is the big Odisha story for you. So Odisha finds a good representation when it comes to the cabinet. And we'll also be looking at the swearing in that takes place.